So, hi guys. So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng review for the Chang'an Nevo Q05. So, I've been driving it for more than a week. So far, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng suspension, ang ganda ng acceleration, at ang ganda ng consumption so far. Yung claim nila na 1,200, I haven't really tried, pero mas matipid siya definitely than an ICE vehicle. Yung feel niya for me is better than the Sea Lion 6. Pero sa infotainment naman medyo nagkukulang siya compared sa Sea Lion 6. Mas madaming pwede gawin and medyo may mga limitation siya sa infotainment. Air conditioner, what else? The seats, very nice also, comfortable. The lights, okay din. May mga several issues, pero I'll probably discuss it in a different video. But I guess ito muna yung preview, guys. More than a week ko na siya dinidrive. Solid. Ganda ng feel. Nasa 720 kilometers na eh. Yung total na takbo, naka EV comfort mode, so pure EV mode tayo. So let's see guys, I'll make more videos after this preview.